Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator CC 2021 tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to create a clipping mask or make a clipping mask, and we're going to do it in like 60 to 90 seconds. So let's do this. The first step you'll see here, I've created a shape, which I use this shape tool, dragged out a shape, then I drag and drop in an image of my dog Kingston on top of it. If you're following along, use any image. The next step is you want to go back to the shape that you want the image to clip to, and you want to right click on the shape and you want to actually arrange it and you want to bring it to the front. And this is counterintuitive if you're a Photoshop user, but you got to trust me. You want to bring it to the front. For this image that we're going to be using, I'm going to drag and drop it and I'm going to mount it to where I would like to see it go. So I kind of want that part of the image to mount into the clipping mask. Now I'm going to left click on the image. I'm going to left click on the box or the rectangle I made and making sure both are selected and the rectangle is on top. I'm going to go to Object. I'm going to drop it down all the way to Clipping Mask, and then I'm going to left click on Make. When I do that, that is a clipping mask inside Illustrator, which is a little different than Photoshop. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Ton more stuff coming up. Stay tuned.